Why don't senior bathtubs ever get drunk? Because they always have their own bars to hold on to. And now let us explore 11 practical tips on bathtub bars for seniors. Tip 1. Right placement. The correct placement of the bathtub bars is crucial. The bars should be close enough for the senior to reach effortlessly and provide adequate support. It's essential to place the bars where they can grip them before they get into the bathtub and maintain the grip as they exit. Tip 2. Opt for the right height. Bathtub bars serve the purpose of providing support to seniors. Therefore, the height of the bars should be such that a person can hold on to them while standing or sitting. It should be at a height where the user does not have to bend, stretch, or twist their body in an uncomfortable way. Tip 3. Choose the right type of bar. There are various types of bathtub bars available in the market. Some are mounted on the wall, some to the bathtub, while others are floor-based. Consider the needs and abilities of the senior and choose the type that suits them the best. Tip 4. Install with professionals. It's essential to hire a professional to fit the bathtub bars. A poor installation might not hold the weight of the person, leading to accidents. Professionals will ensure that the bars are installed securely and are safe to use. Tip 5. Consider a bar with a textured grip. Seniors' grip strength might not be as strong, and wet bars can be incredibly slippery. A bar with a textured grip surface can provide additional safety and prevent slipping. Tip 6. Regular maintenance check. Regular inspection of the installed bathtub bars is vital to ensure they are still securely fastened and can hold weight. Over time, screws can loosen and bars can rust, decreasing their reliability and increasing accident risk. Tip 7. Proper instruction for use. Seniors should be properly instructed on how to use the bathtub bars. This includes where to grip, with how much force, and how to maneuver around them. Tip 8. Avoid towel bars as bath safety bars. Towel bars are not designed to hold a person's weight and can easily come off if used as a support tool. Designate the bathtub bars for support and use other bars solely for towels. Tip 9. Keep the bathtub bars clean. The cleanliness of the bars is critical, as dirty or soapy bars can be slippery. Ensure that they are cleaned regularly and dried properly to prevent any accidents due to slipping. Tip 10. Match bathtub bars with bathroom decor. Aesthetics also matter. Choose bars that are functional and match your bathroom decor. There are many different styles available, from modern to traditional, so you can choose something that complements your space. Tip 11. Evaluate the need for additional grab bars. Depending on the mobility and balance of the user, it may be helpful to install additional grab bars elsewhere in the bathroom, for example near the toilet or sink. This can provide extra support for getting up or down and reduce the overall risk of falls.